Welcome to our channel, where we deliver deep dives into tech, finance, and self-growth. In today's video, we're going to explore how artificial intelligence is evolving far beyond the initial hype and becoming a set of truly transformative tools. We'll cut through the noise and focus on what really matters. From groundbreaking generative AI to critical ethical shifts, we'll cover real, concrete forecasts for 2026. More importantly, we'll give you hands-on, practical tips to give your business a significant competitive edge. If you're an entrepreneur, a business leader, or just curious about the future, this video could save you countless hours and dramatically boost your revenue. Make sure you stay until the end, because I've got a special AI implementation challenge waiting for you. Let's dive right in. First, let us talk about the major trends shaping the AI landscape for 2026. We've synthesized insights from the biggest names in tech analysis. Forbes, in a late 2025 piece, outlined 10 key shifts in generative AI, highlighting the maturation of AI-powered video and a growing focus on authenticity. Meanwhile, Deloitte is pointing to three massive breakthroughs: agentic AI, which grants AI more autonomy to complete complex tasks; physical AI, which brings intelligence into the real world through robotics and smart devices; and sovereign AI, which focuses on data privacy and control. It's clear the momentum is building. The data backs this up. Exploding Topics predicts that by 2026, AI will completely revolutionize critical sectors like healthcare and financial investing. Gartner's top strategic tech trends reinforce this, pointing to the rise of AI-native platforms, the necessity of AI supercomputing, and the collaborative power of multi-agent systems as key drivers for the next 5 years. However, it's not all smooth sailing. IBM has issued a stark warning. We could face a significant public data shortage by 2026. This is pushing the industry towards a crucial innovation: synthetic data. On the human side, LinkedIn emphasizes how proactive AI agents are set to transform our work-life balance, making us more efficient and focused. Simpliliarn adds to the conversation by spotlighting agentic AI, the importance of green computing for sustainable AI, and the burgeoning integration of quantum computing. Finally, both ZD&ET and Infotech confirm that AI isn't just a trend. It's dominating business strategy, with generative AI leading the charge in investment. So, with all these powerful trends on the horizon, how can you actually harness them for your business? Let's get practical. Tip number 1, adopt agentic AI. It's time to move beyond simple chatbots and embrace proactive, autonomous agents. Think of them as digital employees who can manage complex workflows. A great starting point is to integrate tools like Microsoft's Copilot into your daily operations. You can use it to automate routine tasks and streamline collaboration within platforms like Microsoft Teams. Companies that do this are reporting efficiency gains of 20 to 30%. The best part? You can start with a free trial to see the impact for yourself. Don't just talk to your AI. Give it a to-do list and let it work for you. Tip number 2, leverage generative video. Forbes was clear: AI video generation is maturing rapidly. This is a golden opportunity for your marketing, training, and communication efforts. Instead of spending thousands on video production, you can now use AI tools to create high-quality content in a fraction of the time. For example, tools like Runway ML allow you to create custom videos from simple text prompts. The key is to be clear and specific with your instructions. A prompt like, create a 30-second product demo video showcasing our new features with an upbeat and modern aesthetic can yield incredible results. Early adopters are cutting their production costs by as much as 50% while increasing the volume of content they produce. This isn't the future, it's happening right now. Next up, tip number 3, ensure AI authenticity. As AI-generated content becomes more common, so do concerns about copyright, misinformation, and deepfakes. Building trust with your audience is paramount. You need to be transparent about your use of AI and verify the authenticity of your outputs. A practical way to do this is by using watermarking features available in tools like Adobe Firefly. These tools can embed invisible metadata into your AI-generated images and videos, proving their origin and distinguishing them from human-created content. This not only builds trust with your customers, but also helps you comply with emerging regulations around AI disclosure. In the AI era, authenticity is your most valuable currency. Let's move on to tip number 4, build multi-agent systems. Gartner identified this as a top trend, and for good reason. Imagine a team of specialized AI agents working together to solve a complex problem. One agent could handle customer inquiries, another could analyze sales data, and a third could manage inventory, all collaborating seamlessly. This is the power of multi-agent systems. You can start exploring this with platforms like Hugging Face agents. These platforms provide frameworks, some even with no-code interfaces, to set up interconnected agents for specific business functions, like customer service. A well-designed multi-agent system can drastically reduce response times, in some cases by up to 40%, and handle a much larger volume of tasks than a single AI model ever could. Tip number 5 is about data. Embrace synthetic data. Remember IBM's warning about the looming data shortage? Synthetic data is the solution. This is artificially generated data that mimics the statistical properties of real-world data. It allows you to train powerful AI models without compromising user privacy or running into data scarcity issues. You can start experimenting with this by using open-source libraries like Faker and Python to generate high-quality, customized datasets. Businesses using synthetic data are not only navigating privacy regulations more effectively, but are also seeing improvements in their model accuracy, often by 15 to 20%, because they can create perfectly balanced and diverse training sets. Our 6th tip focuses on sustainability. Go green with your AI. As AI models become more powerful, their energy consumption grows. Simpliliarn flagged green computing as a critical trend, and it's both an ethical and financial imperative. You can make your AI operations more sustainable and cost-effective by actively monitoring and optimizing their energy usage. For instance, if you're using cloud services, tools like Google's Carbon SDK can help you track the carbon footprint of your AI workloads. By optimizing your models and scheduling computations for times when renewable energy is abundant, you can slash your cloud computing costs by 10 to 25% while contributing to a healthier planet. And finally, tip number 7, prepare for quantum AI. This might sound like science fiction, but the convergence of quantum computing and AI is on the horizon. While we're still in the early days, 2026 will be a pivotal year for early adoption. Getting familiar with the concepts now can give you a massive long-term advantage. You can begin experimenting with platforms like IBM's Qiskit, which offers open-source tools to run simulations on quantum computers. These can be used to tackle incredibly complex optimization problems that are impossible for classical computers to solve, such as in logistics, materials science, or financial modeling. Positioning your business to understand and leverage quantum AI will be a key differentiator in the years to come. Of course, navigating this new landscape comes with its own set of challenges. Let's talk about the pitfalls to dodge. The biggest mistake is over-relying on AI without human oversight. This can lead to biased outcomes, embarrassing errors, and a loss of critical thinking within your team. Always keep a human in the loop. Another major pitfall is ignoring ethics. In the rush to innovate, don't forget about privacy, transparency, and fairness. A single ethical misstep can cause irreparable damage to your brand's reputation. And finally, don't underinvest. Infotech as data is clear. Generative AI is the fastest growing area of business investment for a reason. Hesitating now means you'll be playing catch-up for years. So, to wrap it all up, these 2026 AI trends, from agentic AI and generative video to synthetic data and green computing, are not just abstract concepts. They are actionable opportunities that can future-proof your business. The practical tips we've discussed today are your roadmap to getting started. And now for the challenge I promised. This week, I want you to audit one process within your business. It could be customer support, content creation, or data analysis, and identify one way you can AIfy it using the tools and strategies we've covered. It's time to move from learning to doing. If this video sparks some new ideas, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. For more deep dives into the tech trends shaping our future, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And I'd love to hear from you. Comment below with your favorite AI tool or the process you're planning to automate. Up next, we're exploring the latest fintech innovations you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.